Hello everyone, today I want to talk to you about how to use the VivaRays earplugs correctly. Most of us know that traditional earplugs after many hours of sleep tend to become increasingly uncomfortable. However, the VivaRays earplugs are made from a super soft, skin-friendly, malleable material that offers superior comfort after many hours. And thanks to the tight seal that these earplugs offer, they protect against all noise exposure, including moisture and wind. And they can be adapted to fit every single ear. Personally, I use these during my sleep and also my meditation practice every single day. And I have to say that they are the most comfortable, noise-absorbing earplugs I have ever worn. So let's talk about how to use the earplugs correctly. So before use, you need to completely remove the cotton wool. This is where a lot of people get it wrong because they simply look at the earplug and they're putting it straight into their ear like so. You don't want to be doing this. You actually want to be removing the cotton from beeswax like so, okay? The cotton is really a protective layer. Then we're wanting to massage the earplug and roll it into a little ball like so, being careful not to make it elongating. So this is what you want, and then you're simply putting this in your ear like so, and I can tell you that I can't hear anything. What did you say? Just joking. So that is absolutely the correct way to be actually installing it. So make sure you're taking off the cotton and don't cut it in half and use two. Use one earplug per ear. So hopefully that's given you some valuable information on how to use the VivaRays earplugs correctly.